Hi boys and girls, I'm glad to be back with you again. This week, actually, we're going to be celebrating Earth Day. So it's kind of like this is our Earth Week. So we're going to do a project that's going to be reusing in a different way, something that most of you guys have at your house, or at least mom and dad use probably often. So we are going to be working with coffee filters today. This is just a regular coffee filter. And then we're going to use markers. Now, the coffee filter is round, so we are going to be making an earth. And the colors that we're going to be using, of course, is the color blue and the color green. Okay, these are markers. So any markers that you have around the house that are not permanent markers would be great for this. Okay. And aside from that, the only other thing you're going to need is some sort of little spray bottle that's full of water, because that's the last step that we're going to do. Okay. So, also one more thing, my trusty little mat, one of my kids' placemats that helps keep my table a little bit in order. So what you guys are going to do once you have your coffee filter is you're going to start, I think, with the blue marker, because parents and older brothers and sisters, you can remind the little ones that the earth is made up of a lot more water than it is land. So we're going to have a lot of blue on our coffee filter, and it doesn't matter what side you start on, but you are gonna just have fun and start coloring all of your coffee filter earth in. So it's gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna kind of go fast, and I'm not gonna finish it because it'll take a little bit more time. But you guys are gonna go ahead, and you guys can see I'm not even doing a perfect job, right? I'm just trying to color everything in. So you're just gonna keep coloring it in. And then you're gonna take your green marker and you're gonna add some green marks. And it could just be squiggly lines. It doesn't even have to be perfect. Just kind of squiggly lines where the land would be on our planet Earth. So you guys, of course, are gonna take your time and really fill in your coffee filter. I'm kind of doing it quickly just so you guys can have an idea of what it is you're gonna be doing. But ideally, this would be completed. And the next step would be, kind of fun, you take your little water bottle, your water spritzer, and then you're just going to start spraying all over your coffee filter. And I'm really soaking it up so you guys can see it's starting to move the paint all over my coffee filter, and it's flattening it out also. So let me pick it up so you guys can see it a little bit better. So as you can see, my colors are starting to run all over my coffee filter. I can actually even put it back down and pick up some of that color while it's still wet. So when it's complete, all of those lines and all of those shapes that you have on your paper are going to completely fill up the coffee filter. And when it's dry, you're going to have a blue-green planet Earth coffee filter. See you soon, boys and girls.